Laundry day, unfolding the meaning. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, laundry day. It's a common term you might hear in everyday conversations, especially in a household context. Understanding phrases like this can really enhance your fluency in English. So, let's dive in and unfold the meaning of laundry day. Laundry day refers to a day set aside specifically for doing laundry. It's a practical term used to describe the day when someone washes their clothes, bed linens, and other washable items. This is a common routine in many households where a specific day of the week is dedicated to this task. The key here is the routine and planning aspect of the term. In many cultures, laundry day is more than just a task. It's a part of weekly routines. It often involves sorting clothes, washing, drying, folding, and putting them away. This phrase can also reflect a person's lifestyle or living situation. For example, people who live in apartments might have a specific day to use communal laundry facilities. You can use laundry day in various contexts. For instance, if someone invites you out but you have chores to do, you might say, "I can't, it's my laundry day." It's a phrase that's easily understood and relates to a common experience. Sometimes, laundry day is used humorously or metaphorically. For instance, someone might say, "It's laundry day," as a light-hearted excuse for wearing an unusual outfit if their preferred clothes are being washed. This extension shows the flexibility of the phrase in everyday language. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of laundry day. Remember, understanding such phrases not only helps in language learning but also in connecting with the culture behind the language. Have a great day, and maybe it's a good day for doing some laundry too.